everybody, Battlecat here. Welcome to the epic cosmic journey.
Hello everyone, Command Revolution here too, and we are still by Jupiter. We will hang around here for a while, and we're going to visit all 79 moons.
And we will explore every single asteroid on the planetary ring. We're just kidding!
Sorry guys for this, but it was really funny. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna visit all asteroids and all 79 moons. We're just gonna visit 4 of them, the most famous. And then we will continue our journey further to Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and many more trans-Neptunian objects, about which not many people know. Alright, and now we're getting serious, back to business. Yes, Battlecat?
Yes, Commander! We're going to Io!
Thank you, Navigator Battlecat, for directions. We're going to Io! This is such an interesting moon. It's the most volcanically active moon in solar system, and it has a very unique appearance. Once you saw Io, you will never mix up Io with any another moon. But better one time see than 1,000 times hear. So let's go and see it ourselves. Io, we are coming, and we just escaped gravity lock of Jupiter's planetary ring. Now we can start frame shift drive, which can help us travel these 350,000 kilometers in seconds. That is the distance of Io's orbit from Jupiter's clouds, not from the center, because from the center gonna be much further. Jupiter is a gas giant and doesn't have a solid surface, so you can measure distance only from its clouds or its center. And the distance from Jupiter's clouds to its center, 71,000 kilometers. Alright, let's switch on autopilot and enjoy the view. Here we go, and we're approaching the driest place in our solar system. Io has the lowest amount of water of any known astronomical object in the entire solar system. Check this out, guys, we can see it now, and now if you never seen it before and see it now first time, you understand that what I meant by saying if you saw Io once, you will never mix up with any another moon. This moon is unforgettable.
Did you know, guys, that Io has over 400 volcanoes?
Thank you, Battlecat. And many of these volcanoes are active. And just think for a moment, how is it happening? Average temperature of Io's surface is minus 130 degrees Celsius. So just imagine super hot lava erupting in such a super cold atmosphere. I think that would be a spectacular show. Alright, we got closer. Look at these colors, guys. And if you're wondering why this moon has such a saturated colors, there is explanation. The yellow color, it's sulfur. The white, it's sulfur dioxide. The reddish brownish one, it's sulfur dioxide damaged by radiation. And the darkest spots on this moon, it's deposits of volcanic plume. According to composition by volume, 90% of Io's atmosphere is sulfur dioxide. Check this out, guys! Jupiter from Io! What an amazing view! If you would stand on the surface of Io and look at Io's sky, the Jupiter would be on that sky 39 times bigger than our moon on our sky. Just imagine it for a second, how big that object would be on our sky. So, knowing all that facts about Io, we made a conclusion that it's a not very friendly moon, and to land on it would be not very clever idea. What do you think, Battlecat?
Yeah, I like lava, but I don't want to breathe sulfur dioxide. Let's better land on biggest ocean of a solar system.
That's great idea, Battlecat. Who knows what he's talking about, guys? If you really know the answer, please write it in the comments, because we're not gonna say it in this episode, only in next one. But I will give you a tip, guys. 3 out of 4 Galilean moons have large ocean but which one is the largest? And one more interesting fact about Io. Just think about this. Our moon take 1 month to go around our Earth, and our Earth is much smaller than Jupiter. Io goes around Jupiter just in 42.5 Earth hours. This is very fast, guy. Io's surface is dotted with more than 100 mountains. Some of these peaks are taller than Mount Everest, and the tallest one, 18 kilometers tall. Also, Io has the most active and the most powerful volcano in the solar system. Loki Patera volcano erupts on average every 500 days. Alright, it's time to move further, but what is our next destination, Battlecat?
Europa!
Here we go, guys, we're going to Europa! In my opinion, Europa is the most famous moon in our solar system, after our moon obviously, because Europa is candidate number 1 where alien life might exist.
Commander, are we gonna see aliens?
Maybe? I don't know, Battlecat. No one ever landed on that moon, so we're gonna be the first ones! In any case, soon we will find out. Europa is the second closest Galilean moon to Jupiter. It's orbiting Jupiter on distance of 670,000 kilometers. And it's very cold place. In some regions of Europa, temperature reaches minus 220 degrees Celsius. Can you imagine how cold is that? I cannot. And we're approaching. Look at this beautiful moon.
Oh, look, guys, this moon looks like a snowball.
Indeed, Battlecat, this is really good example, because this moon covered with water ice. And because of this feature of Europa, here is interesting fact. Europa is about 90% the size of Earth's moon. So, if our moon would be replaced by Europa on our sky, it would appear roughly the same size as our moon does, but brighter, much brighter, because surface of Europa is made of water ice, as I mentioned, and this surface reflects 5.5 times more sunlight than our moon does. Can you imagine how it would look like? Our nights would look much different. And guys, look at these reddish fractures. The compositions of them is not known for certain, but likely contain salts and sulfur compounds that have been mixed with the water ice and modified by radiation.
Europa has the smoothest surface in any object of our solar system.
Thank you for your sharp facts, Battlecat. Scientists think Europa's ice shell is 15 to 20 kilometers thick. Just imagine how thick is that ice. Winter fishing definitely will not be possible on Europa. And that ice shell is floating on an ocean 60 to 150 kilometers deep. This is really nice view. Jupiter set along with sunset on Europa. This moon receives very little amount of sunlight and it takes 45 minutes to reach Europa. And we're currently observing our sun from distance of 780 million kilometers. That's very far. And we're on the dark side of Europa. Can't see much details, but now we're gonna see planet rise of Jupiter. Spectacular view, but let's have a look from cockpit of spaceship. Switch off the interface and enjoy the view. Check this out, guys. So beautiful. Jupiter appearance on Europa sky is 24 times larger than our moon on our sky. It definitely looks smaller than from Io, but it's still very large. Okay guys, let's land on Europa. I taking manual control of our spaceship. We're getting out of orbital flight and here we go. I always wanted to see this reddish fraction. What are they made of? Let's figure it out. Alright, Jupiter on this side. I just wanna land our spaceship that way that we're gonna have nice view of Jupiter on background. For that I need to do a bit of maneuvering because I still wanna land on this reddish, wherever is it. Okay, now we're gonna drop from the orbital flight to the glide. Here we go. We're getting close to surface, and now we can see that surface it's actually not so smooth. What's going on? Why are they saying it's the smoothest object in our solar system? Because if to compare with another objects, this is still very smooth. Alright, glide complete, and now we need to land somewhere. We just need to look for some place where we can land. Let's just look around to find that spot. Here we go, Jupiter in front of us.
Wow, what a colorful eyes.
Yes, Battlecat, where else can you see ice like this? This icy hill looks like we can land on it. Okay, I need to deploy landing gear that we're not gonna break our ship here in this icy world. Landing gear deployed. Alright guys, I need to focus now. This procedure is very tricky. There we go. I need to stabilize the ship. We're still moving forward. Now actually a bit backwards. We need to reduce our speed to 0. Battlecat, please monitor carefully our systems. This environment is very unpredictable.
Yes, Commander.
This is historical moment of epic cosmic journey. We're few meters away, and here we go, and we officially landed on Europa. Battlecat, this is such a big event.
Woohoo!
Look at this view, guys. Look, Jupiter from Europa surface. Battlecat, let's launch our rover and let's go explore.
Commander, temperature is too low here.
Copy that, Battlecat. Okay, let's then launch our drone and check around. What is going on here? Look at this, guys. Look at this beautiful view. Imagine you on the surface of Europa. This is such a strange world, and we're not gonna stay here for very long. We have to leave before our ship get frozen.
Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like. We'll see you next time.
Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the view. Goodbye.